Let's get started on section 2 of Bō Kata 1. So I had just finished section 1 and I had done my thrust, overhead knee strike, and I came across and I did a half circle, rib, double rib, rib. And this is a front facing view. My next movement, I'm going to be picking up my left foot, transitioning into a rib strike in a forward stance with my left foot in front. Okay, so I'm here, left foot picks up, I just pivot on that right foot. Now we're going to call it an uppercut sandwich. I'm just going to adjust for you guys. So there's an uppercut in between two thrusts. So I'm going to chamber the bow back, thrust. If you'll notice the height of the bow. Now on the uppercut, it's going to be a little higher because it should be in line with my chin. Cross stance uppercut, thrust, Okay, let's look at that again. Finishing sequence 1. Starting sequence 2. Left forward stance. Thrust. Uppercut. Thrust. Overhead knee strike. My foot comes up and across. We're adding on a little bit. Half circle again. Overhead rib. Double rib. Overhead rib. Step rib. So if you'll notice, the sequences kind of at the end of section 1 and the end of section 2 are almost identical, okay? I'm going to give you guys a rear-facing view on this one. So I had just finished section 1, and you're going to finish with the bow underneath your right arm. You're going to be traveling to your left. Rib strike. Now I do my uppercut sandwich. Thrust, making sure you chamber the cross stance uppercut. Thrust, chambering the bow up, overhead knee strike. My foot comes up and across. I do the half circle, very similar to how I did in section 1. Overhead rib, double rib, overhead rib. We're going to add one piece now. My right foot steps into a walking stance, rib strike, keeping that elbow up. When I'm doing all of these movements, I want to make sure I'm still using the push-pull with the bow. It's going to increase the power a lot. It's also going to be able to make it so that I can stop the bow on a dime, which shows really high weapon control. Okay, let's do it one more time. We're going to go from a front-facing view again. Okay, so I had just finished section 1. I'm going to look to my left, rib strike, thrust, uppercut, thrust, overhead knee strike. My foot comes up and across. Half circle, overhead rib, double rib, overhead rib. Very similar to section 1. Add one piece. Walking stance, rib strike. Keeping that elbow up. That's section 2 of Bō Kata 1.